Hello everyone, good evening. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'll talk about the driving factors behind the Internet of Things and 5G security as a business priority. The Internet of Things represents the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies with the purpose of connecting and sharing data with other devices and systems over the Internet. So some of the examples are monitoring systems, home appliances, and thermostats. And 5G, which is the fifth generation of cellular network technology, delivers higher speed, wider bandwidth, lower latency, and more advanced capabilities than its predecessors. So some places where 5G is used is the IoT section, at smart homes, and logistics and shipping. Emergence of IoT and technologies that made it possible. Access to low cost, low power sensor technology. So we have more affordable and reliable sensors now, so more companies are investing money to make IoT better. We have better connectivity today, so host network protocols made connectivity between sensors and cloud easy, better technology. So we have 5G now because of good cloud computing platforms, so less human intervention, and because of reliable cloud computing. And also because of improvement in machine learning and analytics, so with more data set on cloud, businesses can gather more information quickly. And we have conversational artificial intelligence these days. So neural network can process natural languages. Some examples are Siri, Alexa, and Cortana. So these technologies made IoT possible. Let's look at some of the industries that benefit from IoT. So we have the manufacturing companies. So IoTs are used in detection of anomalies. We have the automotive industries. So IoTs can be used for detection of failures in vehicles. So users can be notified beforehand. So it's used in the transportation and logistics industries as well. So we have the retail industries where we can monitor the amount of good left in an inventory. So if our shelves are running out, we can quickly restock them. It's used in the public sector, in the healthcare sector, and also at general safety across industries. So let's look at some of the core security and risk concerns associated with IoTs. So and how IoT devices can be exploited. So we have weak authentication. So many users use easy passwords, and so it's easier for hacker to hack. We have low processing power in these IoT devices. So in order to save cost and battery life, IoT devices use small amount of data, and often they don't have any update capability, so they're vulnerable to attack. And legacy assets. So some older IoT devices may not be compatible with new technologies and standards, and often because of shared network access. So many devices in the same network means if attacker gains access to one of the devices, they can exploit the whole network. And we have inconsistent security standards, and we also have lack of encryptions and missing updates. So these are all some of the core factors that a hacker can make use of to exploit IoT devices. Let's look at some of the solution to these IoT security. So first, we can provide physical security. So we can always keep eyes on devices, and also manufacturers could use resilient components to make devices more secure from physical attack. And we can provide remote access security. So if devices fall to attacker, we can remotely lock these devices, and also we can use private networks because earlier we saw how devices could be exploited when they're on public network. And we also could use some sort of abnormality detection mechanism, and also encrypt data while transferring them. And we can also use network-based firewalls, and we can limit the connectivity of profiles. So these are some of the steps we can take to reduce the IoT applications falling to hackers. Let's look at some of the challenges and concerns of 5G. So 5G, it has less coverage, And of course, we looked at the IoT security risks, and we have increased costs associated with 5G, and it also has the legacy security concerns. So let's look at some of the solutions to the 5G concerns. So problem with the spectrum clearance and equipment deployment could be fixed with traditional effort and a bit of more time. And we still have less 5G devices, so we still have time for operators to fix the existing issues. And researches are being done as we talk, so we can hope more reliable and secure connections in the future. And cost could be saved using mixed wired solar powered smart repeater to spread coverage between base stations. And also many companies outside telecommunications are interested in 5G and investing in research. Let's look at some of the impact of 5G on IoT. So because of 5G, we have greater reliability, we have greater speed, we have more devices that can be connected to a network, and of course, we have many more opportunities. So I have included two pictures. We can see the latency decreased 10 times and connection density increased 10 times and experience that throughput increased 10 times and also traffic capacity 100 times. So these are some of the uh, advancement 5G led on IoTs. So in conclusion, I want to say both IoT and 5G revolutionize the technological market, and we need to be aware of the security issues that comes with this technology. We need to know how IoT and 5G works to discover more opportunities. And of course, we can expect greater things from both 5G and IoT in the future. These are the references. Thank you.